Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram password from PC. So without getting delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open web browser. You can use Mozilla Firefox, Safari and Microsoft Edge. I'm using Microsoft Edge. So here on address bar, search instagram.com. It will navigate you to Instagram login page. As I have already logged in my account, if you haven't logged in yet, then you can simply enter your username and password and then log in. So this is your home page. You can see your username and your profile picture on top right corner. In order to change your password, you need to go to your profile page. To go to your profile page, simply tap on your profile icon or your username. Now it will navigate you to your profile page. Here on top right corner, you can see setting icon. Simply tap on it. It will show you this menu list. Here tap on settings and privacy. It will navigate you to this page. So here on account center, you can see password. Just tap on it. Again tap on password and security, and then tap on change password. Here select your account which you want to change password. Here enter your current password and enter your new password, then retype your new password and then tap on change password. As I received, you change your Instagram password for June 99550 message. We have successfully changed Instagram password. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.